Okay, take care.
Yeah, so, hey, next time I did a better result.
Doctor!
What's wrong?
I received a call about my brother.
Who's your brother?
How is he? It's King. How is he, doctor? Doctor, how is he?
I have bad news,
Bad news? Okay, doctor, tell me. When you say bad news, what do you mean?
your brother passed away.
What's the shit?